In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to add and edit photos on your GoDaddy website. Before you begin, make sure you are logged into your GoDaddy account. Once you're in, navigate to your product page. This is where you'll begin your visual refresh. The next step is to zero in on the Websites plus Marketing section. In this area, you will see a list of your websites. Look for the website you want to modify and click on the Manage button next to it. This will take you to the website editing interface. To enter the editing mode, you should either click on Edit Website or Edit Site. Upon clicking, you will see all the editable elements of your website. If you want to add a new photo, there are two ways to do it. Either you can click on the plus icon that appears between the sections to add a fresh section, or you can choose to replace an existing image by clicking on it. If you decide to add a new section, you will be provided with several choices for the section type. A couple of choices you might see are Photo Gallery, a popular choice for displaying multiple images, or a Content section which comes with an image. Next, you'll have to decide where your photo is coming from. You can upload a photo directly from your computer. Alternatively, if you don't have a photo on hand, you can choose one from the stock photo library, or you can pick an image from the media library of your website. Once you've selected your photo, you'll have the opportunity to edit it. Simply click on the photo to view the Tools panel. Depending on your GoDaddy website setup, the Tools panel may either appear on the right side or at the bottom of your screen. It contains a wide range of tools that can be used to crop, resize, rotate, and even adjust the brightness, contrast, saturation, and other settings of your image. You can also apply filters to your images, change their opacity, and if you want, you can even blur the images. Now, if you're working with a photo gallery or a similar section, it will probably come with a specialized image editor that offers more advanced editing features. This would allow you to make detailed alterations to your image. For photo galleries specifically, you can customize the layout, add a title, and decide whether or not to display thumbnails. Once all your changes are in place, you will need to save your work. To do this, simply select either Done or Save. Please remember, your work isn't live yet. To make all your beautiful changes visible to the world, you should click on Publish to update your live website. And that's it, you've learned how to add and edit photos in GoDaddy. Stay tuned for more such tutorials.